Can you help me with the game?
What is it?
It's a maze. You have to like put a little. It's like a little ball, and you can't hit the walls.
Is it hard?
Yeah, kind of. Well, it's kind of easy.
Okie dokie. What is this?
Sound effects will help.
Okay. There's no music. How many levels are there left?
3. The 3 is the last one.
Did you get past it?
No, I only got to level 2.
You suck at this game.
Oh snap! Bullet!
Oh, sorry.
This is the last level, you guys. And then you guys just
Do
win.
you get so skinny up there?
Well, sorry about that. I can't control that.